How to create and sell clothing in Roblox. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It can be a fun and potential profit way to earn Robux by selling. However, it might require the Roblox Premium. It is a subscription service that allows you to access to advanced features, including selling items in the Roblox catalog. So start up with, you have to design your clothing. It allows you to create different types of clothing, including the shirts, pants, and t-shirts. You can use graphic design tools such as Photoshop, GIMP, or even online tools like Canva. But make sure you follow the Roblox template sizes. For shirts and pants, it is 585 by 559, and for t-shirts is 512 by 512 pixels. You can download the Roblox clothing template from their developer hub. Once that is done, you can go to your Roblox website and log in with your account. Now click on the avatar and then on its editor, and from there you can go to clothing. Here is the place whereby you can upload your shirts, pants and t-shirt design that you have created. Choose it from the file that you have saved from. Follow the on-screen prompts to upload it. Make sure you create pages after uploading your design. For that you have to go to the create tab and then select the clothing item, and then you have to click on configure button. Set a price for the item in Robux and make sure to toggle on for sale option. After that, you can promote your clothing by creating a storefront, using social media, participating in the communities, and much more. Also, make sure to keep an eye on the marketplace as well. This is to track the sales and gather the feedback as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.